Alright everybody, thanks for waiting patiently. I've been a little busy at the 9 to 5. It's been a couple weeks since I forged this hammer, but finally got around to finishing up the video. In this video you're going to see me go to my buddy Jot's shop of Aviary Forge. I'll link his Instagram down below, and forge this set hammer. A set hammer, you will see us use one in this video. It's used when striking. Learned a lot with Jot. Taught me more parts of the team blacksmithing. I don't do much with striker or do much striking myself, so it was a great experience, and hope you enjoy.
Alright, first step is to punch out the eye of the set hammer using the top punch. I've sped up the footage and cut out some of the heats to make this a shorter video. We're lubing the punch with a bit of beeswax to keep it from sticking and deforming. Now it's going to be my turn to hold, and he's going to direct me on how to properly hold and strike. And there's the punch. Then we're going to use the set hammer to set the face and the cheeks and the sides and give us the shape we're looking for. We're going for a square shape here. Again, I cut out a few heats for sake of time. And we call that a drop forge. Double drop forge. Rounding off the corners just to take off the sharp edges. Now we're going to put the drift in and use the top fuller and the bottom fuller to create our cheeks and profile. Use the flatter just to finalize the shape of the faces. Moving into the grinder to shape the handle so it'll fit into the eye. Again, cut out a few things. Finally, we clean up the faces and the sides of the hammer so that it is a nice smooth surface when we strike.